Ciao. Yes, avoid the 12 in my nano TAMI BER TV man and Mr. Laughter ye Ostra Megwenian Martini ma watika kilibu lock pat wano ngeo gen mute malawu beru magwa the 12 iman makilwoni NUMA Award eno beru yup ma la dit Juma Jami ma NIT ngat ma chako man makilwoni NUMA Award tie gen ma perta the 12 nian Martini wano beru ka kilibu i channel kan ken majim no ber ka wat kere kore yen bene neno pe jomo ber tie i channel neno ki we kore now petini watika mero neno ne dong NUMA Award dong tie ma karo and Jimmy Mapol tie ma watimme ka chel man machalo TAMI BER mero wintamu kore kidong bene tam ma mekwa malupe ken machalo wan ma ber ka neno ke program no ber ka wat kere ochake ma dong bene John ken ma winyo history ne kere bedo wa ya pe wa John way 2008 2009 we are on
Yeah,
but
somewhere
yeah
there.
somewhere there so it's almost like 10-20 years ma NUMA Award do ri kere ma pera tek about down to 12 ni in mighty northern Uganda mi tami da kill da wek warongi kore but nen matin ma be nywa da kwadero kin ma charno program me wor kere kore ngat ma lo wengo bin wachne kore kan kikron categories me ma gero berutie wengo bikene botu kore atie ki la wara chel ma wabineno kere kore yup eni pinien matin ken machalo no bibedo kere piano no ne per tek ne wakel yup eni botu wek won machalo dano ma lobo TAMI BER TV onge da nywa ka chel kedwa wek no jimo ken ma watem ne weng be jimi mano oluto in kumi mane ti Kenya ni bena ngene bulo eni kitika yele me kelo lok ma pejo mano oluto choro gang da be wew gang ber ma bede twal ara fu de twal la dir lara fu me bien program ma mekwa enen matini ma watika nen review pa NUMA Award ken ma war kere itini ning
Atima be for it all laptop pange nitin ningo.
Anati mabe gimo mara chitwal pe ko ne me gira tie me en ken majini ma yom ma met ange anamaro kenen Jimmy me Uganda tiga teach mabe dak down tiga word mabe ko tiga word mabe ma manyano yapeni ning kiburi kono
Mwaga chake mabe gino mo marat futbere marat kitwal madak weka neno chalo mahad chake marat pere. Ye wak poj bene botin keri ka iti bo ma no kanto imar twal menya Jimmy mapajo ket matika wot kwere. Put gino mo marat pere the wo ket me wadi kwere Northern Uganda Musical Award kwere tie ameno NUMA Award of course annual Howard makimiyo mwaka man pe luteno me kumara milo Uganda to twale entertainment industry ma utumba be ana beru kono personally kama TAMI BER beru ka chwalo beru ka timo live studio kene channel ma ramo chare following ket makimiyo kwere award dog beno utumba be awatiba ne kilispa padano magono kwere. Of course, in your market and the cow better they always up and down. Challenges better my page and better but
yeah okay men para chitwal kainen wonu bedo tie ba kono maber twal ma tiga ngeyo neno ken ma jimne tiga wat kere wen kore dong gin ma otime maber in nge maber gin ma time maraj ma neno ni no ni gwa po bedo ber twal ben wa ben nyako ne kore in bene ngen ma tiga neno wa ma bedo ki kar me bedo tie kono ma mero bene tam migi tam ni ngo maber ma ki twal timone nyogi ngo ma ki twal timone wa oruto wa yupe meneno ni yupe eni kache bedo 2025 no be bedo yup madak maber bene kin machalo eno yubo ineno niko kon wiye yup eni kita ke yubo kere kido wor kere nyo kit ma process chaka kere obedo ni ning kitung bori
me chen ye dwok poj matek bot Juma Jami kin ma wano ngiyo kere ena ye tingat ma ukati ki yup me NUMA Award Ramolo and CEO and founder me NUMA Award.
Yeah.
Na batwini ene chawa ni malo ko ni en petikene.
Okay.
Anti kidano matiu pere. Donc awegami la pol word mo hali bario ki piara rio bia ngwen ki ariwe pichi. Won come obero tempra umona.
Oh, okay.
Won come obero tempra umona ma ana obero won come NUMA Award 2024-2025. Utum mabe ti ti jema chalo won come la kor obero honorable Justin Simple Manobol.
Okay.
Ana obero la donc bere chalo ana obero ka overseeing ka na jema po ma obero ka temena kan yo wakin yo ikar ma kemi award. Ana obero ka taking charge because in yo tempra very chan me guri karmo kene so como very late but chunya yo me chan and to be care dok bene don't take dano ke kane o money very team ke very chan me guri no one of the one very tech che you bene o chamo chi the car taking over how ki you but generally NUMA Award and Northern Uganda Musical Award kit number ke ma ke mo be dok category wing akimi awaten kidong bane mwagane jemme mabe bano beruti pian kana mo te mwagane kimi overall artist of the year dok nan ki million ache iwange overall o dok ki million ario female artist of the year mano kar female artist male artist
Why female artist, male artist?
Dok chen gen go dok million ache.
Okay.
Yeah, so uluto ala berkie ikitma ber ka chulu kere chul yo mot ma ke ber beside accolades ma ke meoni chante no berkie kime depe kenano sound ma oberi by mwagane. The sound was better than last sound with ma be lo me mwagamo karne.
Okay.
Kenano kitma oberi kwere yeah mwagane kere ka this sound oberi ma be neo tino ne adoka ba bero kama kama so ni kama ke liara kan la subregion so
Okay.
pede adida ke wini ke mo ko pere kar
Bear my bad phone.
Yeah, meno we ke ma award bero kwere do jeme ma bero ke na mor chake ke nomination anana the way mo go anyway maybe don't get her charo get way madon bena kuna awati wang mo kene don wakta mo mere jali ke jumo kene ma no bubian industry nyen ni jumo kene ma bok no pia gulo chana the way mo go madon drawing the way chalo anyways though a category mo kene berke chalo category chalo collab very collab songs of the year operative but the way ma withdrawing the category mukene the way mo go chalo juda rap knowledge hip hop withdrawing ho the way mo chalo part love boy wa ni for kana bpm the end when withdrawing quite number of way go withdrawing actually mama fuli chara chale make bolu nying lo bir ma pola dida kawi po awobe and ma kikaru nyingi street song of the year.
Oh yeah.
Type women and ma ma street full. Kirika pay win your radio station. I don't know street no dano to go in a chow wing that dano ma did. Yeah, type way and only. We can go take it long of the category tail and whatsoever, but afterward again we give it better give it part of Northern Uganda Musical Award Mahali Bari Pero when Mahali Bari Pero beat my pen again go better doc ben go piem ichen gele jomo kene be rotiaro ke award so angi jeme e komado melo Uganda e mara de berti jema baye berti en mere ber ko meno komada lo batuli xawat mere jarol e komeno kage mo berti jema de berti jema baye berti ma binu berti doc mara de berti otherwise NUMA Award Mahali Bari ngwan makali bero beach utum mabe.
Okay. Now dong mapat ki organization kin mo work kere kin dong ben ni about attendance pa down beru tining iner mamegi.
Come again? Lokada.
Awachi attendance pa down kere down bieno kere me chok yo
Attendance. Attendance. Kapo me mwaka mo karoni. The attendance was okay. Actually, in NUMA attendance but I'm disappointing. Dano charo kulumogo because this is the only award more tie in Northern Uganda.
Yeah.
Petit award mo kene dore ma tie ni kwani gwa kan yana mo ki introducing award mo kene in Northern Uganda, but this is the only award more tie in Northern Uganda. So attendance for dano put kare disappointing to you. Attendance over mabe because wachawa angwena ana karo wadida dano mero donyo yup some at a year benudong dano pongo so yubu beru mabe ya will dano beru mabe kid makare kare dano chero yubu NUMA award.
Okay. Si winyo na medo ke nen down futika medo ki chwako program man kilwa ni NUMA award. Now NUMA award yape wa John nung bekan ma lach bene wan weng wangi dak dama ti Northern Uganda ginge ngene NUMA award ana award madong fuduri ma peatek lo as far as any award moga ken award mo ken mo bien mo reo duong mera tai Uganda kono pam award gi ano yang beru tie mano chuki tek full anano tempro mono wa ni dong bene pere ka existing ki award mo ken mo go mano ki yabo gi maduong mera tai ken gang kenyu mane kenyu last year be we upon wa beru tie this year pa gan ka kutimo mano ki tie ki award no make now the ground me award me in Northern Uganda pingo down petika chero I word to twal. I know it's mainly and Juma Kene tika focusing ga yubune agela penye no miara penye and but pangiping and Kene don't take a focusing log man me yupa word Juma Kene ma don't take a yupa word pere do you think there's some issue moma tik and down where Juma Kene diga tima word in Northern Uganda kje no me chene gwa penyo down moma tik initiative ma be ma work at least me a word me up no be a chile can Northern Uganda. Yeah.
Me chill you for award by the way when you mot makimi ki the way mo chill begin my yot fan given the fact that Juma Jama take experience may you for award because we have a chance of a decade do be ka you for award and can chill ma winye ma be and ngat mau mio
network katika chude manak dak ma wangen mauti mga. Yes, I think network pa nadir la tika yele manak but kin machala wan ngi kere a word in tie ma tika time Northern Uganda for a very very long time ma petini mo ma in any year ma
tiga
dong
winye
gino yabane yeah tika winyi ba network no bir ngat cutting manak but rama dak de kom gen ma pa ma wayane yeah network ne tika yeng manak pa ngi penga yeah
yeah tiga na okay kita waje kwere it's not his meyo for award command melo Uganda apian me achel mapia katiki award no lok peno ko bero madungari da ento chunya yom ni ko kar dan maro dingo yetio gen magitio mabe ene meyo meyo it's either bino you attend if for you when you go high pay bino eno ni peke di bene ye ento kenano award ma kemiyo ma gike man boss mi ko team mero miyo. Of course, Machado a legend and Benono award, Makoni Binano. And Karmatic presenting award, Olego Juma, Niku Ye Bene, enemy Mano Guarim Wakamanyan. Look me award for honorable boss mi team. Or Kate, the Karama, the Gito Dugudong, Uganda. Why near me award. On the twin down above my young food. but maybe go can a Kenyo, go win the and whatsoever. Parangi get Magulo opere enter. We say the warning, Matikami award bought overall artist of the year. Or why do you Juma Meroye, me ben award.
Okay.
Walk from very Mahamanian Quare. No, enter dog simple man of ball. And better Lego ni pick where I want to be a chief can.
Okay.
Pick where a chief can. Kaka around you for what Robert Keradekan. But you my partner. No man, you will make it. Can you be in a chill, maybe a chill Mahamanian, Mahatuju. You can never you when a buried room, you can never you when a buried room when. So, Nana, what team of Paul,
Yeah.
I want to Paul Makatika Mione, corner to try to make your opportunity way, make my little Uganda, entertainment industry, Dano ma papa, opportunity, maybe robo, kaka where way, my peju, my bit of a catty, my over now. So, I think again, ni Mwagani. Kainan wa tiara da kan wa ga nyen boy beru ke wat makaro ario meno nero na ga dia kan wa motim
Okay.
ne wa mar beru ke wat makaro ario itu mapata no da anda musical wa ngi ne dum tie kitma pos mi go wati kwere mo go bene bien ke wat mu kene mano ko mer wa nong nye win nye gwa ke bot ki kitma bien do sa ke so no ni bene ramo beru ke unyo be gwa tak ngato mo kate kwere watiki dana ko malo ni ma dimaro entertainment industry mataka da so kere kingo atiki ganne wo beru ki awat makaro ache mauni wati kwere the traditional awat no mamo ache kwere ni ulu to dak mo
Okay, that would be fantastic. At least penning you ka gimana ti achiel kan dugu kin more why dugu monotonous.
yeah
But I don't know. You feel like kadong and you know there is nothing mangar more ramatimane. But I would suggest a better back and then oluto a word mukeno you mano olu penetika PMK paladit jumani but at least no watiki multiple words ma kalo way man any doesn't mean me and the way chill go team. I feel like I don't know bedi waromo yupo a word money man like targeting ware the way mugumufuru yaba where yaba the smaller word pe jo much furu ya we piki can gi onyo wakelo categories more ke kan mano wanu ni piki tego ka che the way madonna non nga pegi ramo yi mi beri nga ya word because anano kin machalo and juma waja ken ni ti juma ken ma lo word wa young John they were in the program eto pen guno ne dongi ri e gwa karo nyu gwa wede do karo level of make you geno a go tenya wede no dongi tika chero e rom mala mal but also ke ne no e rom mala mal make wane jo mo kene luwe mo kene manongi wane gi don go tenyo ni pa ngi ka gidi chere ye you get that because in ka tika no nga word man kenyu mano in no ne magang madongo lutu ne karo level ni level cha ma tika chere ye ne pen ka yite tim chalo bi achar pen bi achar bi we ba
right
I mean, we be achara. So ka no ni ibi chara tema word ma no mero meto level mi chara word mo kenene. Do you have the capacity? Do you have the level? Money ano makiram nominating in a national award. Chala mo ma me Kampala gi nyo me kwe gi kamo ken madane. Because in makai bi cha ya ki bi achara money mo to mi ne target ka ki in ya bi cha no gi mon mabe kujako ato the way one any get a tenure NUMA award ato party and an moma nominating in the national award ma per tek wa kay kono en bugo pa Kampala gini is there any moma dong ki NUMA chiki nominating in national award ma ETA kwa kay Northern Uganda Kenya mati ma ngeo
right I met okay pamete ki quoting an marhaji but I hope ni ki numa award maluwe go withdrawing on it guak no ke be nok manyine wale ni guak gi mero charo guak ya what more maybe a national award below Uganda dong
yeah
unyo be East Africa and to kind of talk to me it's going to be a clear indication ni on bitiki na marat
yeah
however NUMA award o no mero genpeo ahakiye mero
yeah
neno na o no
okay
mero genpeo ahakiye kerika geno be that day ni na manu award beru tie kereni gena no mero beru ma geno beru ka presenting the award gena beru jomo beru ka mio award ni machare a legend in the hip hop industry Come out of Uganda hip hop chala genres of music ana ba berutie kami award kila way maulo hip hop
Yeah.
overall me mo karne kan do withdrawing no miro eno betie kami award both overall artist of the year me mahani and to me completely shunning the event ke eno kereni legend mago berutie ene over time pragi over ball just example man gima gen ko lo award to be an honorable boss me go team ge mago lo award to chon kijo mo keneni but luwe mo en ma fulful ma ho karne ne fulgi pane no ge do
Yeah.
pego beru tie ba so me ramo wacho ne pego beru iba kimiri mabe
Yeah.
nyogo be am mabe nan chal rungu mo kilo mo beru tie o go beru pare ento no mata ki mo me ana le ni luwe ni ero gen go beru ba makare gen pego bu piem ni anba o withdrawing ania ho because I don't feel like PM dong maybe NUMA award. Mergen ko betie to present the accolades, but the way again ko loy.
Yeah.
No na.
Berway luwe magutenyo bino ye numa wadi no gutenyo either ki grievance small mapeki tiago onyo kejo mo berutie kon lo lodge because a word ka berutie angi kejo gi piem gine berutie alright which is understandable wango berutie but ka inti ka tenyo a word money ka the likes of easy gi yaw lo ano and pato lava be gulo ano um uh, dano mogo chalo en boss me gi ano bolgi we mogo machan chane ka no beti en lo we en mogo lo awete wengo crew forming group ma megi pigi can gi chalo jo mogo lo numa word chigu bien go ye la tela gi gena en dongo bet chalo ko pa numa word ka juma ye because we don't know if juma accepts ni jomo lo and at least go bet ki say mo go renga e yup any but in ki mama ne tikere ki mijma no oluto word any ukeli onyo chuny man mabe pe dana ni ono mi luwe makere ge bien macharo group jomo lo ne weng go bet ka chwa ka word ka ne na tie ge don ge bet almost spear aiders menga ma yupo program any menana ni yupo eno yupo mabe ker ge bet tiki pa mo ne ki ngat matika yupo nene dano weng yub mo ke ni yubu oluto manga kejo mo berti e pe waja 100% ni kejo mo ber pe ken dano weng tiki kejo gi kom ngaro man ato we still stand the ground ni this a word has stayed for so long like so many years mano mirdong as I see it as a chuli mirdong wa la ka chil ci war ma part ke chere ba wa ayu ka chil lo tela mo kene wa bin wa ribu ching wa me wa ko ni a word in pedo bed me strictly owned by Juma. Kono twere ono mira chule do lo northern Uganda lo ana go bien mago yub a word bed madit it will still be owned by Juma but no we know ni down money mati area me northern Uganda ni kitiga tara word in chara ma meggi gina gi kero investment money ye da ki fonyo joma da ki tero joma ne mangelo loch mana di maka yer gini gena te on it's kind of like kira ke timo ke ba peje ongi ba peje kan maka yubu ni down ka ki chene ke yubu ki jimi wang give me your contributions and we ba peje ki yubu with restructuring do timo be so if ani nero na tamani Juma could still own the name and everything yeah but mirdong pocket chalo dong and kene tika yubugini luong northern Uganda kiran luong in northern Uganda music award uno miro nong executives marata ki country in ki districts in weng ki bien ki bed ping ki nan kien machalo no ki romo yubugini chala chuli nyo ki romo yubugini chala northern Uganda madit mape bergen matitiri dong because kay nana word mado rio for all this long and take a time ne pier ken ker ka ne jomo ken obino from different angles lo tela obino kenyu and lo tela we mo machano obino kenyu jimi mo ken obino dan ma obino go ribo chingi chiki etima green kit magino bet kere no be better more bigger kidong nongo ways me kelo these corporate companies MTN gi ano kono Airtel gi kono nga gini wa ko bien go injecting chene gi ye like you ma did me a word kira no mir cha ruot David na chana gi no gi ano mir go better mi mechi in almost ching luwe me northern Uganda because itika representing the whole of northern Uganda but pangiping or down tenyo strictly iching Juma as if it's not even gimoma tegateme northern Uganda because kenano kar madung amba word no te utar bajat ono mir dong should have been in a different level Pedong chile make me no mir ben million ario. It could have been no miro or chakol million a beach a bichel mono no.
Onyo motaka
You bedong ke wile motaka ge in you cannot say ni after 10 years of Beru ki award you still give only 2 million. Huh? After 10 years. Kon the way doing marata the way ma ber kam you way do ata dak bena joma bion ka chwako award do ata. Doesn't make sense ki an ni beru ni for all this while ki tika me food million ario. Million achelo re for I don't know how long. Food this year you beru million ario after a very long time. So mono nero na ba pate wache gien mageti tim neno raj bare nero na no miyono gi lak gini do be chalpa Northern Uganda magdano Northern Uganda wengi owning biachara ene dong beru chalo award make miyo kilo we mo dong dwa ko chwak bolo we apart from letting sure ken gangi. That is my view pange kire nero ke
tamini berach tam maber to but what you can pay kumaro middle Uganda we just need to accept kita wano kimo kere jame mukene apian ke neno mot juma ukatiki ya wati nene oberu tamme
yeah
me katiki ya wati katiki ya wati dano mapoli kuberu kapiem kuberu kamio milion achil overall juma kene no achile mia beach juma beru kati kene and waro chane ne kene I think kidme waji kere it's high time ni en juma omero dong okay imwagamo karo ni MTN oberu tie as sponsors men NUMA AWARD MTN oberu tie this year ye pepe aneno en company chalo MTN but kauno jiramo kato chingi winye maberu chalo kien ma berio go mwaga ma partnership oni berio e kingi mwaga ono berio chante magimiyo ni resources mukene magimiyo ni uno konyo meme konyo miyo mot ani ono ni kiri en companies magi yubo marokan these people can still partner ki NUMA AWARD and of course kimiyo no chalo motoka ane awinyo mwaga ma karo ni jomo kene ku bero wanyane abi yubo award make miyo maroka abi yubo okay gini ene ni kainen ki kare chante mabe beru ken matira dida dok maroka make dano wajani motoka make wajani romo mine mabe dida kainen on this thing dok ki kare chante pero matie ene ni kerika no music industry kumara middle of Uganda I think food take leadership entertainment industry kumara middle of Uganda leadership food very poor kainero kitma one of team member and you push shows and all that well I mean the bolle live alone karama merenge kirwanga munu chon penamo would want to go out so kerika amelo burudunga but let's come to a regular day ni amo keneni mere luwe madon ario adek gitie show it given the population guri kompare winye money of event organizers igulu ki kumado milo Uganda put pa no per wata to twal mimi ochwako ni kanen an ayubu show na money tika money duwe mo kane a chero gimi ochwak bora duwe mo kane biana no jo achil go go chat go will table nika we table ti million achil duwe gen gedon ka will table duwe no biana mero go beta timu jame enoni meno ineno ya no chwak bere moramo nika tingo por ko bis after no ki por ko makeri ka initi ko show enoni you can never be the same you can never be the same the next time we come the way money next time we come the way money no music entertainment industry be down ma be kumara we can enter what take neno maratu twal wa mar pim be ento pim mo roberi ma be mina nani ngari utimo money ini mera chara rocho ngari timo money mera chara rocho atamo no pe be konyo to twal so music award and marketing yuponene kauno dano ramo ripe ikom juma ka en juma je yupo NUMA AWARD Jomo kene beru tie make wajo ni these are the board NUMA Award. Pe beru a CEO on your founder. Okay, founder chalo Juma Ramo beru tie. He's the founder. Eno peke Ramo lakoni
Ya pelaka do, ya pelaka.
Kaka kilo board mo ko repair ni ina I board me NUMA Award. These are the shares magikero. These are the money mak injecting from NUMA Award. Ni on board down a bit more tie kwereni. During again to be injecting chanta market man million pa. Na million pa mak injecting. Wabiti mugena command overall artist bichara gena command. Male artist of the year bichara gena command. Female artist of the year bichara gena command. Kongda ke weka wate ubet vob. Naka ni penya ni duwe magen go go weko. NUMA Award ka gwahe gitika chara national award. Wati luwe mapol mago chara award Kampala. I mean la the way chara Team Sense. Team Sense ma waka no bagging 2 award. National award makimio. Hip hop. Udugo kere dog bane mo akane ena yulo hip hop artist of the year. And the guy is good. When chana nyebane fusioning okelo a traditional beat kele hip hop something like that. So the way we make command will be gonna make talent ke ento wana waromo ilugi wa kuchari ya wa mamaloni ento kake pajo kan food wa beru kitelle trust me jaro mara kuja jaro ka piem food pe obu nyaho njige merwa chakte pajo
no be better tag though. Okay, anyway, mono gere neno wa wan machalo media house pole wakili wujim mano waneno liwaki gena titimete daro kenyu donc pera te kache tiki tammi mo wa kwangi iram commenting jomatine an wa Facebook jomatine an wa channel min wakero oloto imin watammi ineno ni tamni NUMA wati kiramo yupne beru ni kidong bene ngama pera tek madan rama timne wa oloto ngara chel kache bino ki yuppe gwa me award ken machal boss mi go timo penyu ni enemy dong oloto juma ye ene chak ben award ma mege because ka award duong oloto wala we mane bene tiu matek because pol kar ga ma tum in mere pole mere tiu ki chine ni me timo we ma mege adange peno gi mo ke kan no better tek angini no me chende shows ki nga gene but no kache ki mini gwa accurate money ki chilling money kenya ni no iberu yom donc ben po mi wa ten gine no wen bit ching juma jame kene jomo ken ma ki chene jomo ken ma gramo investing in northern world one and food and mukarni root boy bino in northern Uganda chilling madano chulo minen root boy bero wel ma diet twal ato kache nen luwe ma mek wani kono luwe ma mek wani Kampala gen temo like ticket ali piario ali piar de ali piar ngwen but no be local luwe en me di Kampala ni eto pingo gine ni gulu peteme pingo gulu dano maro dak loki ko chan to twale ye maka la we mono yubu concert and your show ma mege e winyu ni ali wa beat e winyu ali wa pa e winyu ali bango chamo kena neno we ni kida wan lu we be wa valuing kere we ma mekwa nyu kida wa valuing kere nermwa macharo lu we ana wa be kida no lu actor wa kere. You understand? Because ka one wa kero standard mala mal macharo lu we me northern Uganda ni we should do this mirwanene wa kero gi mama pertek maromo weko wan machalo we northern Uganda waromo nen kir eni ange it's very difficult me repul we ka chel but ka che wa biene te umbrella mo chel mano uluto romo weko and we mane magulo ya word kirana na wajane gena ndongi bero shallow initiators may yub madiet mano ke romo timone pi northern Uganda lo ena ndongi kate ke wani aka wanong waneno ni juma yubu award in pikar ma lach wan machal we dong madam dong watio dong oluto ki care eni omir wa kon ko juma onyoba yap gwa award mo kene pene watika lwen ki juma but no watika mironga kelu oluto mod mo kene manien ma pat ki man no ki ber ka timo nene ka che da chele ne pedaro ma chwa ne because iron ber ki bi achara de ngwana beach patien lokani achiel mo ya pa chane adom mir beta ti dukan ke ya cha mo ke kan kira wajo kere as long as it is organized dak bena yapa word pa umir ni dongi yub dongi ibiro ni achiel ni ario chi de kela word you can actually plan for it fully well wane no ngero mane ti kan tika neno wa Facebook chwala wa comment wa da comment mi la diet ko be de twal ke chere YouTube ye chi neno wan da olo to cho chwin wa per tek ni chere subscribing YouTube channel Facebook what you can me kilo down at least channel but olo to chere subscribing ka che ti neno wa no wane no kin macharo jim ene war ke ko now mapia wa bal cha America no wachiro neno kon categories adi kidong down me magolo mich mene wa ko neno kon ka che no rate America on wanwa kon kin macharo categories in weng iner mamigi ken mo tum kere ka che no po ne gi onong angi yeno to digi kar mane min nongo ngi ken ma jal we mo ken ko kere tun ko no ge ngage ne so to abi na kon wiye categories magulo in weng che wa nywa kon wiye ka che po ar no ne mir ge on lo nyo nger mo ti ma pat mano gwa e tamani no mer rom lo categories ma kire eni wa kon ne kon wiye kon la dir la ka che ti kere.
All right. Categories of maduong ma kemio mote ma abachere ye wiye. Waberu tie ki legendary special recognition. Abalwoni because in a dynamic waka NUMA AWARD kimarmi yune. Legendary special recognition. Kemio Lounge sub-region. Kemio West Nile sub-region. Kemio legendary producer. Kemio legend from Lao. Kemio best music group. Kemio producer of the year. Rubutum mabe lawyer. Kemio influencer of the year. Kemio blogger of the year. Kemio radio personality of the year. Kemio MC of the year. Kemio young talent of the year. Kemio new artist of the year. The way ma puru imagine puru don Andrew don Maliet. Kemio ki DJ of the year. Kemio ki R&B of the year. Kemio ki breakthrough song of the year, on your artist of the year. Kemio hip hop. Kemio comedy, on your comedian of the year. Mati one of the in fact one of the category Kemio been gospel artist of the year. Gospel artist of the year been Kemio la Kubu the Kubu artist of the year. Kemio West Nile artist of the year. Kemio Lao female artist of the year. Kemio Lao male artist of the year. Kemio dancehall artist of the year. Kemio consistent artist of the year. Man wema fading kare we to karo. Kerga beri peramo beru kamako matutwal manu dara na chalo kien ma ena numero lo male artist maybe or female artist no overall artist of the year and very consistent we ma megen Kemio overall artist of the year. Kemio rumba I currently we're taking where you a command Uganda but they're so good rumba and Mixola again ke Lucky David.
Okay.
One of them went with rumba artist of the year. Kenya rumba lewa maru you know the way Congolese songs. Yeah, those nice songs. Man kid magi go kere let me pajuni. Don't tie bena Kemio.
Yene beru category manyen no chantie.
No, John no pere. Actually, ngarmo no well my northern Uganda pere. We and Lucky David one category. The rumba song. Okay, when you wear ma those songs and one category. So Kemio rumba artist of the year. It's a new category. Yeah, for NUMA good spotting. Chiguna ne pera mudongo kene. Then Kemio collabo of the year. Of course, collabo one do you a mail. Where you mokota ikara chilti where we. Of course, we're very good my Paul Maguire. And probably no banana we a very big song of the year. We madum down mar of the year. We man down mar mateka did a coco yearly. No down mar mateka, but you were very female artist of the year. The way madaro ma wero ma bay lawyer. Kidding a very male artist of the year. Key and legendary recognition bene which are about honorable boss Miko team. only Kluoni fan base. The way Ma is a legend, but fan when you down Matuawe, Maro Mata, Timioki, boss team. Menokit Mobile now. What's it an end don't car, get Makimiokere, a what? Legendary recognition in Lao sub-region, Kimioki, Okeng, Bontown.
Timiogo Keng Bontown?
Meno legendary special recognition Lao sub-region, which are about Okeng, Bontown. Now, legendary special recognition me West Nile sub-region, which are about Lakidi. Men of West Nile, legendary special recognition, which are about Lakidi, West Nile. Now, Kimiyuki legend from Lao, not the legendary special recognition, Kimiyuki legend, may Lao.
So, okay,
but of course, you can sip in.
So, manjuri legendary recognition part ki legend of Lao.
Legend, but a legend from Lao.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
legend mo aki Lao community Captain Ice. Pangyo can you wave a Captain Ice mo?
I think what John we po John mo we po ngi la we ana wer kona bunyi ki kele ki nga gene.
Ke bunyi we mo chawa bero achamotora.
Oh yeah, we po.
Yeah.
Yo futi ka we?
It's a legend. I don't know legend. Captain Ice. By the way, I'm pangyo here. I didn't know Captain Ice is there, but surprisingly, now Captain Ice will be here. Yeah,
that's surprising. Pene and another time I go do gi we be dong be pay ba ka we gini dong ding no gwak chora ti tem be achara ngi wo be lang ni ke mar be achara, which is a really good thing. Ma kon ko achiri kon be kwanyo the way me lang ni pole wen ka no gi like mo kene mangi gini pole gino gidi ke be achara me ki chao kene town do tenyo be achara yo tenyo we but not take focusing on the business, which is really good. Ka che be lu we when get on kwanyo ne but anyway, kadong ikwanyo Captain Ice, la we machon mo ni kanyo ya po lao no mar ma de nyir and ngani koro Brazilian rule dong and kono mich me because I feel like and Brazilian rule and Captain Ice ki nyir and what 2 stars in Mambo.
Actually, Mambo do presenting award. Mio award to Pedano Melao, Mio bot and kind of representing. Mambo was there for the key person. Brazilian rule, no Ben award. No award, Kuni be chair name. Now, legend from Lao and chair about Captain best music group. Best music group which are about Dulma Kiloni Mafia Management. Ma CEO and this guy Niemar Willa
Foxy Boy.
Yeah,
we are poor and then Foxy Boy. So I mean music group again, and how many music groups do we have there? Mago competing ke join any?
In music group and ketadong kumio karawat I think non-chalo committee because we category ma kiberuka voting online papa na because vote mobile online it counts for 30% pa kuyo and then ma kiberuka voting keep ni ba kikome kama yubo beriye counts for 30% bene I mean market voting radio counts for 30%. My online accounts for 30%. The rest don't.
Okay.
Yeah, and so I think management of the the organized music group mafia management because they were together and they were mining business, they were very organized. So about mafia management.
Okay.
Yeah. And then producer of the year. Producer of the year about Giddy Beats.
Is there a way more validating more where to like producer of the year is way more you mama the hit song for the year in Ireland?
Kainana way again Nepal way and most of them were these street songs, GDP
Okay.
using Kainana
Mm,
way pa Kamuzu, Nana way pa Doggy Keys,
mm,
those guys were in Mwagane go very street,
mm.
street that apart from the those are
Yeah.
the songs we're producing.
Okay.
My Polkara Nano can producer my lawyer as producer
Mm,
of the year.
mm.
Polkara way pa the way my enobera going the way
I'm
ne
very
better always look at the chop. So can
mm,
kiribit so lo ngeri the way manu and kiribit so better producing wegi no
mm.
can do no good no what.
Okay.
Waberu key influencer
Mm,
of the year.
mm,
Papangeo kid madano beruka kid I just don't know maybe we're taking age
mm,
when we talk about influencer
mm.
no tell us
Yeah, word my struggling careful for different reasons. My better than think about influencer, no, at least you can influence somebody negatively or positively.
mm,
Um, so aspect ma ngat ma lo ni ubera nga because I didn't influencer a bit away ngat mo manotie of a high quality opinionated gware nyo ngat mo mano ka lo au nyo utimo gi mo ma the example gi badana ma everyone
mm,
follows ma
yeah
like ka in ngati ka ker charo almost ka ker charo la tela man and madam marful the did mo so it
mm,
feels like Mo Rombe influences but down in so many ways. Penka law, he has that wisdom. He has that capacity money ma kaya wa ngar money do law. No sense money ngar money no or to gi moki. Ma says antique jokes kinga gini. Bare
mm.
beru way ngar money me wa beru ya ngar money ma down Roma na na ni utiu gi money ma la ko pa ngar money. All right?
Now this is where I know Numa I would say Numa went wrong
Mm.
maybe influencer of the year Kimio bought Odongo the stress killer. Now,
Anyway, for some reason, get it. Atamani get it. It's not bad, but
no,
doesn't.
let's pan with this. Now, I'm
uh,
influenced as an individual.
uh,
As build a significant following,
uh,
as a significant following, products may make the services, the ideas to the audience.
mm,
These are the key characters.
yeah.
Persuasive power.
Mm-hmm,
How persuasive is Odon the stress killer?
mm,
That's one. Two, authenticity.
mm,
Odongo, it's going to be disappointing Odongo was being authentic.
mm,
Because we
yeah.
all know Odongo is being influenced by something at least.
Yeah.
I have always criticized matches Kitmo Dongo Tiekwere,
Mm,
Kitika Tiekwere me konyo and
mm,
Nungokwo. But I also pray we don't misuse this guy.
yeah.
I pray
Yeah.
we do not misuse Odongo the stress killer.
Yeah.
Because Kitmo Dongo Tiekwere should not be killing us stressed and Watamu Merobet Kumeno. Let's try to help Donga,
Yeah.
to konyo Donga, to be better.
Mm,
So I don't know the authenticity more Dongo Tiekwere.
mm,
Three, the needs expertise. Mark,
mm,
what you need, focusing on the specific needs more Dongo Tiekwere. Like
mm,
seriously, let's look
yeah.
at this award. Kidung me a large following. Okay,
Mm,
we don't take followers already.
yeah. He
Teenage,
has some. Yeah.
he has some followers.
Mm,
But
mm,
then, Kirika Chiki followers, the nano influencers, ma Beruki followers 1,000 to 10,000. How many
mm,
more Dongo Tiekwere? Wakero
yeah.
Dongo can influence already. Two, the
Mm,
micro influencers key followers might from 10,000 to 100,000.
mm,
The micro influencers who don't take care of.
mm,
Ojeki meet Tia or Thai influencers depends on the pronunciation. Met you get it.
Yeah.
From 100,000 to 500,000. Then micro influencers from 100,000 to 1,000 followers. Because celebrity influencers, madung are from 1 million. Charo kore malo. Mano depends followers ma initi kwere. Initi gunano ni ning. You there's this awards mo kanema trust me. Pero mo mi uneki dano no go voting.
Yeah.
Won't you get me? So
Yeah.
I know this influencer of the year.
Mm.
Kimi yung at mapat ngat mo na mira pe kimi ire. Udongo Romanong award right, but not influencer of the year.
Yeah. That's yeah, yeah, I think it's a good idea. Penny Polkare, the word influences getting you describing Kerene, he still has some attributes. The other way, Maromo were sympathizing his situation Paudongo, and I much as he has some mental issues. Main panati wajana generaj because his mind does not really work so well. He is inspiring. Lutian mokene ma wigi beti ko neither can still do something in life
Right.
as much as we no peti mani matiu mabe trial. So on that age, Aramo agreeing nigomio in the right perspective, menane Latian mano could not earn anything in any way. Garamo spotting tio konyo, tika konyo, vulu mokene mekin gang bana menane, matches gwa in petty care money, mekwan, your petty care money, mengage money, you're able to earn something from. That's the only reason Maron Wako, no one gwakumio, gware iyo mabe for that reason. Arakani kom ni mi no michi ko mi influencer ke kom again. I don't think even would be a word moment no ke mio in aspect me way in your category me way in any way or no me or bit either a politician more you go a bit like la way more team Jimmy like in a community or chair go ko nyo luchan go chair like o go chulo lutiano kwan making you go you add more pelotano kich ginga again something like that mano na mabe kidano wing would make sense for me ni agreeing ni gina keren around berti as an word but la we ma no be potting wa gimo ke kano nyo po be lo gi mo ma dano be ko ti u keren nyo cho ko twinga mo nyo ti gi mo ma neno ni kung kung ni imi yere as an influencer. I don't think it makes sense kitung bara.
Yeah, maybe so that's the reason mommy we award which is okay. Dongo food still gets award, but not in that category.
Yeah,
And then
for sure.
another category, I know care about blogger. Blogger here care about a fresh boy promotion.
Fresh boy. Who is that guy?
I know him personally. I know him personally. Fresh boy. Yeah, Berudano ma uchaho gungi soul of Africa. Berubena choka ngat boss mi team. Karamoni kenyo. I think kumkara dong tiga chumkene or independently. But on you get it, okay, nano sport shows Mabero is not Komara middle of Uganda. No, he's there, he's moving up and down. Okay, to me, I feel he deserved the award because, yeah, he deserved the award. But what take influencers, what take bloggers, Mapol. But then we also need to understand and define this very word very well.
Yeah.
Me blogging.
No, again, I'm Airbnb,
Because a blogger, okay. Because I think watika neno manakto twali we count twere the work competition of the igine
yeah, can bloggers, huh?
Yeah, you can all these categories work people betie because neno more specific needs mogo chalo mamete blogger machil a blogger merobet with a lifestyle too. The fashion should be there, something to do with health and wellness, passional, finance, gaming, technologies, travel, food, something like that. And here, a blogger's role, they create content. Most of them, you creating content. It can content market creating. Yeah, fresh boy, we're not creating content, but then content, my outselling was it. What was the article ma eno choene? We go back, we revise the article ma fresh boy choe. Well, keeping on it, there's so many bloggers ma go team more than him, by the way.
Yeah.
There's so many bloggers ma go team more than him. Kawana the storytelling. You can the niece ma peer attack to one machala chatbot a blogger. Kind of community engagement. How interactive is he? My fresh boy Benotimo, he was engaged. Kidano, because he was moving up and down. All this sort meal, at least here, take a promoting that shows and all. At time we are narrowing this thing down. Before taking your account or widening, we connect because me a chill or bedon bloggers again.
Yeah.
Pero a blogger pero bungeni teacher me chill is only to create content, is only to interact with the audience. Your kilwa making gang. Akawa where be widening that knowledge, but so bloggers command will be okay. Whether the bloggers my better because a blogger without website, a blogger followers ma make on social media platform tini. A blogger ma don't create content on YouTube and you call yourself a blogger.
No.
Or maybe you want to create content on Facebook and you call yourself a blogger. Bloggers again, how many social media platforms may take query? What are the followers my unity query on this platform? How consistent are you? Make articles, storytellings, and whatsoever. Platform I make it. How engage a UK audience my unity query? So I think platform my bloggers may be query. We need to revise that. But otherwise, given Northern Uganda yeah, he deserves the award. But what you get bloggers, Mama Paul, what you into the promotion. Yeah, he is a blogger. What you is Praga promotion. These are the guys Magucha John Mount and Pressure Boy. They've been doing well in Marani. What you Fresh Boy and what you Meta was also there. Meta, I think Meta Loy Mahamo Karne. What you Gulu Scoop, what you Luo Tunes. These are the people, but we just need to widen our knowledge. So I think I want to give me a fresh boy just to encourage him. One, to encourage him. Two, to widen his knowledge. But he has done a lot.
Okay. That's good. And then the other thing, but I'm now watching like bloggers, you can look any vloggers. I know they strictly specialize video blogging gini. The other thing, and I'm here one creativity mamege. Because in Pairamo recreating content, Pangeramo, you go on for shows, you know, the way money, maro video, posting on YouTube, on Facebook,
And you call yourself
and then
a
you
blogger.
call yourself a blogger. Blogger should be like originality, money, authenticity, in your content. Because kacharo wan ne mama tiki TV and like wacharo ma chao ji mana wo ma ge page again. I cannot call myself I creating that content. That was somebody else content and I had to teach kere. You take up me mere entertainment get your money. But as a blogger, me or to creating news mamigi, creating Jimmy mamigi, mano down there beni angete anyway. Tika teach my tech full down tika kwano news down tika kwano current affairs down tika nano videos macho creating his own content manonga or ki inerma mega your creativity mamega that is more initiative mano ki bon ngermone any but recreating someone's content you know ngermone interviewing killing kelogini wa alok la way any that is part of it but I don't think that can give you a word kamoge can miro ini creating gym migi ni chawa ber ka lok wan ki James Obalo like most YouTube channels ka in polegi mar teach ki gym pa dano nyo no mer en gym ma jo kan te ka temo ni and we one ma chalo
We always focus on the negativity.
yeah kadang no kilo loko mo madong goro ngero mo ne ngero mo chwalo gini no dong gi na pia tak mo down be banana full now things makir en mano ino ni oruto wate ka discussing gi mabeje ni down da pe mar ne ne pia no pe loko gi mani maraji kum ngero mani so one machalo tamu be we are not going to go into that but me to kill jim mano take values yeah lok palo ba lok mogo mano tie ka teme area ma mekwa mano oruto nywa ko jim mano kilo kuch money can down pada give right negative kay miaro giri channel matigi negative ene page channel no megi ramo gi koner ne me nya subscribing bene that is not our values wabikelo jimano oroto ti atayar mano dan beru ki ngech mane kinongo jimman manyan mabeje beje anyway ti akong non kargo za di molo mudongi chewa konen chan mano ti ria full
Yeah.
okay, those ones watching, please give us your comment before we close. Piano donkey at least some few minutes. Man, no 15 more.
Okay.
And then we shall see kagwaktami more about this issue. Mano what you're discussing. Be
Okay.
subscribing. Go and subscribe.
Maybe my foot piacharo.
Mm,
There's what we call special talent.
mm,
Special talent, and then mahani peke. Oh, okay. There are people magic special talent.
mm,
Ma akpat ki pa jomo kenen.
mm.
Ramo berlewe, Ramo beruk one the way mapol, but then particular way matiki a special talent.
Yeah.
Yeah, man need to be recognized. I think mahani well. But then what you are category mo kana radio personality. Radio personality give me about me about Lamson UG. Lamson UG to you in one of the radio Kitgum.
Okay.
Yeah, in one of
Mm,
the local radio Kitgum.
mm,
Yeah, he deserved the award.
mm.
He really tried to try to make promoting way to try to in music.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Mm,
Lamson UG,
mm,
Cherokee award, now MC of the year, Charbot Everdy, actually. And then I would say, I do because Maki Penyoni,
mm,
Angama MC of the year, everyone
mm.
shouted MC Everdy and whatever. So MC
Yeah.
Everdy is award.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Mm.
you know,
That's good.
yeah,
He's a funny guy anyway. So pay
yeah.
attack.
Mhm. Then
Mm,
young talent, which are about JMS the younger, Latian Edema, one night,
mm.
Fanya
Okay.
Robinson. So
Mm,
yeah, he
mm,
also deserved the award, though. What you Lieutenant Matic Mukane Ben Magatika Bino, but new
mm.
Lieutenant need to be guided. They
Yeah.
need to be mentored. They need to be nurtured very well. And
Mm.
then Wabiru DJ of the year, Charbot DJ Brown Pro, made a covenant.
Okay.
Yeah, go very stage, go away.
Mm,
Uh, yeah, Obama Beno Biruki, DJ Obama Biruki, but then
mm,
Charbot Brown Pro. I don't want to Papa Mera lock my here
mm,
because actually DJing anyway, which are about brand pro, but then
mm.
we're very good DJs, Mapol
Yeah,
stage.
take
Then
on.
R&B, which are
Mm.
about Bravo Rex, of course, in your Bravo Rex.
Yeah,
Yes,
ngecho. Mm,
yeah, it's way but Bravo Rex, his R&B songs are good.
mm. Yeah.
And he deserved the award. Then
Mm.
breakthrough, Charbot Kamuzu. These are the street guys.
Yeah,
Uh,
okay. Mm,
yeah,
mm,
Charobore, I think he also deserved the award. Then hip hop artist of the year, which are
mm.
about teams.
Okay.
Hip hop artist of the year. I'm Papa watching Timsons, right? Timsons is
Mm,
very good,
mm,
very good. But can't only beg a me award. Make your
mm,
opportunity most of them. I would say Lumpy Joseph.
mm. Yeah.
With the
And
award
been
because
mm,
yeah, yeah. When you hip hop artist of the year.
mm,
Dano ke pingo bera dangen Lumpy J. But
mm.
surprisingly, go me king of Timpsons. He's
Simpsons,
good.
eh? Mm,
Yeah, Timpsons is good. But then
mm,
Lumpy J would have gone with the award.
mm,
Machara yan matiri ma chain. And then
mm.
Kenyan Pirmo kare hip hop. Uno mero chet ka word anoni. Meno
Okay.
ineno na.
Mm.
And then comedian, which are about young Emma. Young Emma. Amut
Man would la.
Kiachil.
Okay.
He
Yeah,
deserves that.
I think he deserves that after all this while. I put thing at a chill mudong in the system. Get a watch, okay.
So
You can go around. Don't give a.
big shout out to Young Hammer. He deserved the
Mm.
award.
Yeah,
He
he
did it
does.
well. With the Kerachi Lekanmo Berry stage, of course, people laughed. He was funny.
Mm,
And his thing was authentic. Penan Poko Boginga Tomoikan, actually,
mm,
this is what we call the authenticity. He came
mm,
with it.
mm,
And no
mm.
one does it, by the way, in
Yeah.
Uganda, the way he
Mm,
does his comedy. So,
mm,
big shout out to Young Hammer. He deserved that award. And
mm,
then gospel artist, gospel artist of the year, Charabot. Yes, but do come on a Lion King.
Oh yeah, I heard that song. I've been your cock, my
Yeah,
dog on.
yeah, that song
Yeah, I
cook.
think he deserves it also. Yeah, he
Yeah,
does. He
you
deserves it.
deserve that award.
Mm.
Way by year by Lion King cook full, and he
Yeah.
deserved the award. He was
Mm.
good. And the Kubu Kubu of the year chat about Amera rap coin.
I've never heard of that song. Well, but pange one year in a channel.
The Amera and football with you.
Win
That
your cook.
song is it. Though
Mm.
way in an Ola Chan, to me, I would not
Mm.
give the award to rap coin.
Mm.
Match Berupe stage.
Mm.
The song came late, Kiribeto Mahoping, and everyone
Mm.
loved it.
Mm.
Kimi Adere, I would analyze the situation more take with Northern Uganda. Right now,
Mm.
Kong is the one killing down in Northern
Yeah.
Uganda.
Yeah.
Kong, you know, my can Kono Chan, Kono Girango, Kono Koko me art, Kong has contributed. I wouldn't
Yeah.
love a madam. Okay, it's a nice song. Danoma, it's good
Mm.
for entertainment. It's good, me you a witch.
Mm.
But the message as well, to me,
Mm.
wasn't good. There are so many things. My Jumuka no Awati,
Mm.
Kira, these songs of the year. I just pray,
Mm.
okay, you sang, we know my opinion, but hey,
Mm.
what is the impact of your song?
Yeah, I come down.
Yeah, what is really impact? We just need to focus on the impact away, aware.
Mm.
The impact is good, let's go by the song. But if
Yeah.
the impact that balo ko badana bala, I don't
Mm.
think we should be going for these songs. Just
No.
my honest opinion.
Mm.
So a matter to me wouldn't go kirika bete market penyeri the kubu kubu of the year, everyone shouted a
Mm.
matter, yeah, everyone
Mm.
shouted because they wanted it, but
Mm.
then what's the impact of the song?
Mm.
But to me I would go for Janet Priska.
Mm.
She's authentic. The message in our songs are always encouraging.
Mm.
Yeah, I would go for Janet Priska.
Inge chamo kene kera weji kene. The nature of Dano in northern Uganda. I feel like they're built on activity. Yeah? Cause kai tie kai wero gen mano ti atata matie mere me yo machwin yo gwak me gen ano I watch we pa nyir ti atata but like gen mano oro to rata ki lok me mer gi tim mugu mo rejo gi ano enan dan mar full but ka
Yeah.
iwer we me funyan mano i ndaka kilo da ngich tutware yene ngere wer we chalo pu jon riema gi ma yang chan gi nga gini no dir ke kan da be mar ke ne we yin donga yin nak level da pat pa ti ki the level man ma dan mar ne so it makes sense ni kida be ke yar ke we ke yar according to kida no we down to get it but it's time now to change minani to we make a meal chalo the song of the year me bit we mama no kilo gi mama pay fully chi ko pa down nyo kilo we fungi nyo jim no matter ni gwenu bero it but doesn't mean ko bero hit not informative onyo ka dongo be poko chiku poko ni hit song bero pare ki dong we mano bero informative nyo we me ngech mano konya dan ke money we me funyi ikat kar go no bet pat wek no difference man eno betie wek no lo to pen ti we mo ken ma ke wer me namo nyo me ngala ge nyo me ber me around ne ki don we mo ne mo funyo dan pa nge ka kar go ne tie ma ko ber tie kere me we me funye ne mo ngar mo wer o ki chunye wek ma yen be nge ni we no funyo dan ma da ki mo lo to
No.
ber pe
Anyway, leave alone, like Kubu Kubu. Can West Nile Artist of the Year, Jara Football Lucky D. No,
yeah
West Nile Artist of
ma ke
the
ma
Year.
be don en cho ken do we west
And
nile don
so,
pepe
West Nile, okay, Magu Beru Tiene, go Beru, way Magu can nominate again. You can West Nile Artist of the Year, go Beru Tiene. But I think they need to break, they need to break the region. They need to break it. The sub-region, Magiti Yene. They really need to focus on northern Uganda. Amar lang kenan wepa lang makok northern Makoria Churi sub-region. Duong lo wepa Lieutenant West Nile Makoria Churi sub-region. They need to
I
break
think
the region. But then kenan wepa Lieutenant Churi Makoria lang West Nile. Duong dida. Duong dogbene ke maro. So West Nile sub-region need to break that region. We need to break the region because kenan wepa Lieutenant West Nile breaking region all kind.
and can
Yeah, so yeah, they need to break it. Kyo Charbot now female artist of the year Charbot Vera. The lady is
Mm.
superb. She's
Is she?
good. Yeah.
Okay. Well, my man, and y'all wanna wear hip hop, eh?
No, but ke Maweri Pope. The
Mm.
lady Maweri Pope, she's new in the industry. One.
Mm. Mm.
Two, she's good. Real
Mm.
meat. She's
Mm.
very good. She's
Mm.
very good actually. Kano ni la way enene. Imwaka chile enene.
Mm.
Kano ni chakwa jwema chile. He came up, kere.
Mm.
This lady would be, Anna Uberi can do Matika PM hip hop artist of the year.
Okay.
Not now female artist of the year. The PM hip hop
Mm.
artist of the year. Real meat
Mm.
is very good. She's nice. She's just cool.
Mm.
Hip hop get aware kere. So.
Okay.
But then, female artist which are about Vera, to me, she deserved the awards.
Mm.
Timo Mabe, Mada. Then now, male artist of the year, which are about Brazilian Rule.
Lao main artist of the year.
Mm.
Was he the only one who be participating? No, karnya ngangage.
Of course, the way Mukano Beruche, or Beruke Lil Square,
Mm.
Lil Square Beruche. But to me, Kita the way Beruke withdrawing it, and Brazilian Rule, I was going to withdraw because Brazilian Rule do chamo Benawati,
Yeah,
Northern
Lori,
Uganda. Yeah. Kita the way to Beruke, I wonder what dear to me, Brazilian Rule, not withdrawing. Actually, Brazilian Rule, Professor Maros.
Yeah.
And
And
Professor
Maros a better pay.
Okay, and we'll be repaired.
Mm.
But I think near Berupe can do Makibori.
Okay.
If I'm not forgetting, near Berupe, but again, I was going to withdraw because Kenana Maros, by the way, regional artist of the year in northern Uganda, Maros Chamo, Mahokata Beno Chamo, that award. So, which are about the Brazilian rule, but can Borona town the Brazilian rule, Miomi Car, Kill which are Lil Square. This is a good artist, Magia now. Lil Square, they would have been very good. So, Minongo award in it. Barchabar Brazilian rule. Then, dance artist of the year, Charbot Doggy Keys.
Okay.
Yeah, Charbot Doggy Keys.
Yeah, any parach about
it. Yeah, Perach, that songs were very dancehall beats. Down on Yeroka Wing. To me, it's okay. Then consistent artist Charbot Lucky David. Imwagani was very consistent.
Yeah, I think so.
So,
Anybody to my bad. Yeah.
He deserved the award. Then Rumba Artist of the Year. Rumba, Managana Wajinian Lucky David introducing it. And then Mixola came in. Mixola, by the way, Mixola no bene quite a number of votes out of Wayne. Winyakele, Akele.
Yeah.
That song. Yeah. And then Lucky David took the award. So Lucky David, award Mario and Lucky David, overall artist of the year, the NIO know. He backed at 2 million. So
okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Those are good.
And
I think he deserves it anyway. Come on now.
Yeah,
this is the only time I know at least give me Northern Artist of the Year. Not the only time, maybe some other years, but about any last year. I know this is more genuine. Mano, you're attaining at least improvement. Mano, but yeah, because can way, but look at the video, my open full that way, but the way more wear my best. So I think I can guarantee or any I know I guarantee or any go better or told away manga mago hitting my bad. So like David give his upset, yeah.
Yeah, and then collab of the year. This song, Jumuka Wai Makapiara, Jumuka Wai Kwakapiara. And a collab of the year. To me, the songs also deserve the award. Though, atamani category in a category ma tiempo per materia tutuan. Ingeo dano pemar chato collab songs.
Yeah.
Because can animal way pa Lil Square can keep polite Moscow Kilwania Porema. That song was also good. Lil Square did the song on stage. That song Kono Beneki Charoma Bay was going to be a way I chill mount or Pim Matera did like Quacapiara, but anyway, Quacapiara was the collab of the year and it deserved the award.
Okay.
And that song of the year, Charo bought way Maklune Nimu Yai.
Opa
Maybe
Kamusu. Ase Kamusu kajanga.
Romero Kamuzo, Doggy Keys, I'm not so sure.
Mm.
But then I think we need to revise this thing. Song of the year, Song of the year, we just need to revise how we give this award.
Yeah.
To me, I know what you know way the right.
Mm.
But a song of the year, ne bulu maro jai kichel ne muyai.
Mm.
I think we miscalculated, we misgave this award.
Mm. Pingane.
Ne song of the year, ne muyai.
Mm.
First of all, okay, one, that song never plays in any radio station.
Mm.
Two, Dano Maro way they can ping fine, but the lyrics might be way on it.
Mm.
Bulu maro jai kichel ne muyai. Ukwalo chim kichel ne muyai. I think we really need to look at. We really need to. Merakongwa wanero kong the songs makong
Better
wayer
song
gino
of the
best.
year. Mm.
Yeah, not nika wemo do mako uping to twal ki goet and yo and all that. Then wrong the song of the year. To me,
Yeah.
I tamoni award ne. I just want to Doggy Keys and maybe Guacamuzi. Ngato go away. Pote in bad faith. The song is good. Everyone love it. By the way, everyone shouted Nimuyai because they wanted that song. Leona with song of the year, and indeed with song of the year. But we need to understand this thing. Kawa paro benepi tamadano meo. Of course, Romero award with people centric.
Yeah.
Ne dana gibero ki watch when you moko tamadung to pali kama wati. But then we need to check because kind of song of the year and a better nimuyai bulu marujai kichel nimuyai yorochim kichel nimuyai. I think pepe to 12, but otherwise, yeah, he took the award. A nice song. We in Dano Maro. To me, no Guacron, but a breakthrough
Yeah.
song of
Song of the year. Well,
but not need the
I
song
mean,
of the
yeah. I mean, song of the year get a polkare. Get away ni down mar get a money kore but all to kachara we can away kan go pok categories na egwa no we mano team we fonye ne kono mi ke kat category no betie kidong and type and man me ya in street songs in no rama taking song
actually,
street song of the year no
Atamoni
rama taking
winning.
bear
Atamoni winning Ucham street song of the year.
uh
Not song of the year.
yeah kind of street song of
Street
the
song
year
of,
no the whole that song would make sense
yeah, it would make sense. Kagawani a street song of the year and not song of the year. To be
yeah.
sincere, we
Kung
need to
better way
understand.
dong better way day ya chuli dong lu way dong pare yung ngar mo marong ka ki way mano lo to dan mar dong madi be pare
I
like lyrics
expected
ma
this.
lyrics ma tiki funyi ye be pare
I expected this song of the year no mer bet way ma up or maybe if boss me way mo kuma where ma page ne manu tiki funyi ye people like Simple Man Gay. These legends mabu ngi way gili way mari.
yeah
Yeah. No mer I bet song of the year. Nimu ya no mer bet street song of the year. To me,
yeah
no mer
can
bet
be
street
kana
song
tam
of the
okay
year. Yeah,
yeah
men tam. And then female artist of the year, Chiarobot Janet Priska.
okay that
She
yeah
deserved,
yeah any my bad
she deserved the award.
no dispute
And
yeah
then,
piano ye lebe mata
but then Oberbeki, a close contender, Pretty B. Pretty
okay
B over runner up, and she also an accolade.
okay
I think that was very good.
ba lu way
That
mo
was.
mon be dong ma di dong di ma dong gi wer kom way ko ma dong ti du na ka yugan kong
Mm,
mi ko na ko nong nen ma ba lok kong pe nga lu way mo mon ti gar almost like it feels like lu way mo
well,
mon dong pare dong be
I'm good. I mean the ball. There's this song Paliama, Kachoka Dwe Wea.
mm
I expected that song maybe song of the year.
mm
Kachoka Dwe Wea would make good song of the year.
okay we be dak
Mm.
na win ko fure but
Would be a winner.
no I
The
don't think
song I think we Erone Kajoma take award key emotional stress.
mm
New mental illness is a problem right now.
yeah
Not only
yeah
in
it's
at large.
yeah it
So
is
that song, by the way, Karma Berke workshop at Good University, they had to
mm
call them. to go and perform that song, because the song, the message, the lyrics, it's really good. And a bit song of the year to me. So the female artist of the year, to me, Janet Priska deserve it. Kirwarana pretty really deserve it. But adopt Janet Song of the Year, numero bedway, but Yamama Tunika Chocolate, that should have been the song of the year. And then Street Song of the Year, and numero bedni, Muyai.
Yeah.
And then, as we conclude, male artist of the year, Charbot Mixola, who bagging 1 million cash.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, he's also deserved the award.
Yeah.
And then legendary recognition, fan based, Charbot was with the team. To me, he also deserved the award. Mero Oberunero, my honest opinion. Yeah.
Okay, so that was all the categories. Kida what okay.
And that was all.
Okay, for editorial mono berunenwa jimu kene wa wajo kan mo gono po yo mchunyi wa chwer chunyi in jo mo kene me benala chen timo wakija but wangeni wa mi tama megwa malupe don kache wa char ka lorne there's one comment when kan ma la diet mono wajo Facebook tiga wa ni I love that you guys are trying to see how to become better artists so Peratek angiu award ko bedo tie kene no lok ti maduong ma ene wan furu lok positivity poleke kan kera wuju kene not pedon wa lok gimo mati negative but wa mere wa nen more of the positive part but negative things better moti me bedo tie oluto na ngi gware but one pole pe wa dwelling it 12 and wa kilo negative money che wa neno you me improving mi orbed ning ken macharo no wa neno kere and then angini gimoti maraj mutime fule di ba ma dak gwak merni jomati neno gunge ma gwak no pe wallo ye nyu gwak kid menen organization no beru kere tigi mo ma beru mo alarming gwak full
Jerome Marat Tralmania ma beru ni ye unyani ya beru I think me o krewe chawani no put kwana mo no lok mo Marat mo beru security was tight the dano beru ko ma be na mo beru do ikaps beru small issues ke lok mo kan beru we call them the street gang. But then it's a new normal.
Yeah.
Okay. It's a new normal. So yeah, kaya bete cases don't better chela rio mo. But money ma right account ma tuan ni tak jemu per marachi. Pero pe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bad mo pay do kan and to make it my better trial. So yeah, kadon comment mo pay one more thing na wane uluto ka che tigila page mo you go comment mo tie wa kwange you can even comment kerani bede what your live stream pijo mo bana la chen we before will me subscribing the channel man wa uluto na bet ki kero menongo jimi du jima pat we bede ki kiliwu yub makireni ma wa bero ka nya kone uluto polo mar beri cheng chabet to twale batir ni wano na pe attack ne uluto wanen numa ken ma no furu tumane for live stream wa beberu kateme to twale e cheng chabet no tiano mano wa beberu ki panelist madon kan magibinyo ako jima pat du details ma tika teme jima tika teme manyen stories mo gumano tika teme in northern Uganda kide kibilo lo wa bekelo bodwu an machalo Mr. Africa chel kiula ara ka chel kila word wa chel en beberu tie man kathy so bekelo jima pol ben tika biene channel ka che pengeyo wa tika yaka me yopo podcast bene ma beberu ka kate manyen menano jima tika teme in northern Uganda keyboard dotela keyboard jomo kene mano watamani waromo kelo gi podcast ma megwa we beru tie ka kate bene channel man mano we beru ma link to trial pe in ma tia tayara bera tayara pen wangini gimoma wantika kilo ne we beru gen ma be pe in dak in de bera tayara me korne in jomo kene mantin an wago ke UK go artin wa ke US kan machal war and Emmanuel Oyat and tie bene tie wa Louisiana daga nano kumbeti wa fo de twaro menano wa pera tek ka che chako ko wa kire ni dongen ma pera tek chere YouTube to subscribing bana ka che subscribing o bana chi to the yin notification no bed on makache watiki live stream nyo video manyen mo mokati no yini kono ne na machel mono gin ma maro eno tutwal kidong bene chat bene supporting channels pa lutit ma meg wadu chu wan du ma wati ka chel gangwa tv en bene kili buji ma bejo ma pat du chu ma lopa en kili we eno lopa kiji ma tega teme area ma megi fonju ma bejo bene twan dungo ne en ki channel me gangwa tv mono wan tu ka chel ay ngepol kar ji me gado pa timo ko labo chama ken me bero tak tutwal so kawa go ara la ka chel mangen man chwagala wora get ba chwagala wora o to chwala wa nyim maber twal so pay subscribing TAMI BER TV ke kan chat bene gangwa TV is subscribing o to wek bene nong di ma pat du chuma no wano kilo bodu kidong bene ya channel mo ke kan matie manotie YouTube ma agi tung bodo kuja an paparo in che subscribing as long as ke kilo jim mano o to yomu chunyi pen jim ma yomu chunyi dan papat but more of an informative channel and I TAMI BER TV ka chel ke one gangwa TV and we know get my bag ache mer nyang tim ma bejo mano go negative to 12 dak pe ye and I mono channel rio mera ti kere chi oro to no kare choko be chunwa oro mine wa kere bene kache wa winyu ki bodu per tak to 12 gimo ti mera wachane mi agi pe ma manyen ni program ngama ti pe ma manyen pe gangwa TV
gangwa TV magane of course wa bero kati karatil ki TAMI BER TV our mete wadan jam bapol ngeo magal bari yu fiar wa page yu pati wiji la mal ma permet to
yeah
pian we in 2026 ha
mi
be
pong
very
wi
well
wa kadang yeah
beru ti dong bata and talk of politics tum I want to do to go mere page so yon ti
yeah
ke mo beru kana na do I mean loka beru mo mo environment
yeah
mero ter be ter gen ma perta no
mhm
di mo beru ka karo bot chano
mhm
ma mero in my level I ka bi ju pe king
yeah
wa be beru kana no bene na dok mi yorko
yeah
ti gen ma perta to try
mhm
kana mo yor kom I think a report maraj ma about principal administrator me audiat ma diet
mm
why the doc almost 2 months ago
mm
why the enchon my don doc my equano my being actually sub-region
mm
unetero tano mi actually sub-region char dak ma tigo tutwan
mm
doc ikerogi kirwa the physical strength
mm
unetero ita ento komkano why the bulu ma actually tie kwere
mm
ya geke kako dugu dirwa be beru ke du dir magor magilu
mm
tian konti
mm
peke ta cuma jenge iko
mm
dano chaw
yeah
given ne romme mato konti la mal
mm
koron ka ke mar ke timo jemi madum balu ko kina ti ye donyo ke burla bo gwake
mm
ma pol gino tigitu kit ma principal administrator waji kwede
mm
ma pol kom gi wati da two dependents kom gi nyoro
yeah
Pekamo wati kwede eno ma bot channel TAMI BER wo beru ka
mm
karmene how to address peko enene well
yeah
jumara mo lu pone gulobe if you
mm
want to focus on the negativity this is not a channel
yeah
and if you want to romo rochukoni
mm
and get back to the normal life koma miero iwang dano iwang la chwech then this is your
yeah
channel we get romo watch na otherwise avoid
mm
to dano ba ko wa ka
yeah ana foi ma tak total won jomo kene don ka chan yen wuro mo onien mabe angi chan be do reo wan jomo kene food vati di cheng yara chan me ka chama ye cha bor don ko ke be tikanda kama nak bat ko to wa cha bat bor do kene food cha bor ke kan man US bor do kan but ba bere
kan
kele wuji mo angi ngwan don ade
ngwan
changwan
di wo
okay yeah wondong jo mo char ka nywal da ngi do mi no char nywal e don ke
no
changwan
charro
mi
na
di
nyalo
woni wan pu da yo inji ma chama
bos
but
ne lo wa ni cha mi charo kan wali puri ka mi to mere cha mi cha ke jana te ni puri la we so wa wan go charo kan wali
yeah ban mo pe wa for the twal in my ticket wa ne mala chen ba bi rate wa bi ber ka po wi wu ken live stream tie wa bi no cha mo mar rate ma ber twal pe wan mano wa bero en cha in ne ke ne no chaber wa bi biro en cha en ke come so bere tar be ji mo ke ken ma wa bi le bodu wa foy menena wa wanen wonu la chen ko foy la chuji twale in itima be da mene karma wa be so ke ma manyen ne expect lots and lots and lots of things ke bot Tami Be TV ga chele gangwa TV we be kele wuji ma pejo ma be beru mereka kati ne ke ne no nyu gwa chabet yin be dong mera tayar kenyo pe ring pe chat kamo wa foy de twan menena wa wanen wonu la chen a foy mata